555 angel number meaning and why you keep seeing the number 555. Hi, and welcome back to the Spirit Reads YouTube channel. Today's video is about a topic that many of you have been curious about, the 555 angel number. If you've been seeing this number repeatedly in your daily life, you're not alone. Many people have reported seeing 555 frequently and wondering what it could mean. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 555 angel number, its meaning, and why it keeps appearing in your life. The concept of angel numbers is fascinating, and the 555 angel number is no exception. This number sequence is believed to be a message from your angel, the universe, or a higher power, conveying important information or guidance. It's like receiving a personal message from the universe just for you. So, whether you're seeing 555 on a digital clock, in phone numbers, on license plates, or in other unexpected places, it's important to pay attention. Your angels are trying to communicate with you and guide you towards your life's purpose. In this video, we'll be discussing what the 555 angel number means, common situations where it appears, and how to respond to it. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of 555 and discover what it means for you? Let's get started. What is the 555 angel number? The 555 angel number is a sequence of numbers that repeatedly appears in your life. It's believed to be a message from your angels, the universe, or a higher power, conveying important information or guidance. The meaning of 555. The number 5 is associated with change, adventure, and new opportunities. When this number is repeated 3 times, as in 555, it is believed to be an even stronger message. Some interpret this number as a sign to let go of old patterns and embrace change, while others see it as a sign of growth and personal development. Common situations where 555 appears. People often report seeing 555 when they are making important life decisions or during times of change. Some common situations where the number 555 may appear include on a digital clock or timer, and phone numbers or addresses, on license plates, on receipts or bills, in books or magazines. How to respond to 555. If you're seeing 555 frequently, it's important to pay attention to your thoughts and feelings at the time. Your angels are trying to communicate with you and guide you towards your life's purpose. Some tips on how to respond to the 555 angel number include: trust your intuition, embrace change, take action towards your goals, stay positive and open-minded. In conclusion, the 555 angel number is a powerful symbol of change and growth. If you're seeing it frequently, take it as a sign from the universe to trust your intuition and embrace change. Would you like to discover why things are happening in your life based on nothing more than your name and date of birth? Then click the link in the description below to claim your free Life Path Numerology reading. Unlock the hidden messages in your personality code and reveal the challenges that may be blocking your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Get your free reading today while the universe is still calling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your understanding of the 555 angel number. Please like and subscribe for more amazing spiritual content coming your way.